This video gives a quick tutorial on how to install the Look2 registration software. It shows how quick it is to get going on a single PC. You can also set it up to work with multiple workstations, laptops, and Windows tablets, with all of them simultaneously sharing a common database. That more advanced setup is the subject of a different tutorial. Before you begin, make sure you have the 64-bit version of both Excel and Microsoft Access fully activated on your computer. Nonprofits can get amazing deals on Microsoft licenses at TechSoup.org. Be sure to select a license that includes Access. Alternatively, you can download a free runtime version of Access directly from Microsoft, but know that it does have limitations, and a full license is preferred for at least one of your PCs. We'll be following the steps detailed in the Look2 registration quick setup guide, which you can use as a reference. Before starting, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings to make sure it's set to the required 100% scale and 19 by 1080 resolution, or by 1200. You should have received an email with a link to download the software. Enter your install code and click the Submit button. If this is a brand new installation, select the Registration Complete link to download a complete new system. Once the file has been saved to your downloads, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All from the pop-up menu. Save the files to the C:/Look2Software/registration directory. Next, go into the Resources folder and then into the Fonts folder. Right-click on each of the two font files and choose Install. If more than one login is used for the PC, choose Show More Options and then use Install for all users. To tell Access and Excel's Trust Center settings that it's okay to run macros for the software, go back to the Resources folder and double-click on the settrustedlocations.reg file. If prompted, click Run. Click Yes to allow changes, then click Yes in the Are You Sure dialog. Click OK when done. The final installation step is to map the R drive. First, right-click on the Registration folder and choose Properties, Sharing tab, and click the Share button. Here we'll pick everyone from the list, click Add, and give them read-write access. Then click the Share button. When done, highlight the shared path and right-click Copy. Then close the window. Right-click on this PC in the File Explorer and choose Map Network Drive. Select R as the drive letter, then paste the shared path we just copied. Click Finish and close the R drive window. That's all there is to it. It's installed. Now you're ready to start the program. You can go back to the Resources folder and copy the Look2 registration shortcut to your desktop. Alternatively, go into the folder and double-click the file with GUI in its name. The main software screen is shown. It's shipped with several example users. Log in as Amanda Admin, and the password is lowercase password. To configure the system, click the Admin button. Then click the Configuration Settings button to change system settings. All of this is detailed in the complete registration user manual. Close out of the admin window, and you can test the system by clicking the Find Register button and search for Test. Select the starred person, then click Edit Household. Click the Add Today's Visit button, and then close the window to see the main screen's chalkboard has been updated with the number of people served today. Please review the registration user manual for more details on reporting, software operations, and more.